Hello and welcome to our video on basic transitions for Kdenlive. But what do we mean by a transition? In this context, a transition is a blending animation between two different clips or images. The potato on the left has a harsh cut to French fries, and the potato on the right has a smooth transition into French fries. Today we'll be talking mostly about the wipe transition. In order to use the wipe transition, you have to have two clips which are on separate tracks and very slightly overlap each other. Once your clips are in position, you can use this teensy tiny circle to add a composition, which in this case will be our wipe transition. The wipe transition creates a smooth blend between your two clips, as we can see here. Let's look a little closer at the effects panel for the wipe transition. Unlike with normal effects, the wipe effect creates a small UI element which represents the effect, and we must click on that to see the effect panel. At the top of the panel, we can see composition track. This tells Kdenlive which two tracks we're performing the wipe between, but can mostly be left on automatic. The next parameter is wipe method. This will allow you to select between several different animations for your transition. Here's a few of them now. The softness parameter increases or decreases the blurriness of the effect of your transition. You can also find the wipe effect in the Compositions tab in your primary Kdenlive interface. You can just drag it out to your clips on the track, on the timelines. Try some transitions out for yourself!